according to the instructions of the West Nile virus fight. Oh, poor birdie. At any rate, you cannot get the West Nile virus from touching a bird with it. And we don't know if this bird has the West Nile virus yet, because it will be tested and I'll receive word back within a week. You only get the West Nile virus if you're bitten with a mosquito that has bitten this bird, or another bird with